T-Mobile Unlock Error 403, also known as Forbidden Account Permissions and Login, occurs when the T-Mobile server denies your unlock request. This is often due to authentication problems, insufficient permissions, or account restrictions. The main causes are incorrect login information, account issues like unpaid bills, eligibility criteria not being met, such as the device not being paid off, or temporary glitches on T-Mobile's end. To fix it, first ensure you are logging in with the correct username and password. Verify your account is in good standing with no past due balance and that the device meets T-Mobile's unlock requirements. If all looks good, try again later, as server issues can cause temporary blocks. If basic checks don't work, start by clearing your browser's cache or switching to incognito mode. This can resolve login and authentication issues. Next, try using the T-Mobile app to submit your unlock request. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version for better compatibility. Enable multi-factor authentication on your T-Mobile account. This adds an extra layer of security and can resolve authentication errors. If these steps fail, contact T-Mobile support directly. Call 1-800-937-8997 or use the in-app chat. Be ready to provide your account details and device IMEI. T-Mobile support can investigate specific issues like account flags. To find your device IMEI, dial *6 on your phone. Remember, unlock requests can take 1 to 7 business days to process. Also check for account ownership issues if the device was bought used.